Hello YouTubers, Alaska Prepper here. I've been reading a lot of comments lately from people that just don't have the funds to prepare. So what I did is I went out and I purchased what you see here is approximately a 2-month supply of food that will keep you alive and well fed. All right, so for those of you that are watching this that may be critical about the foods that are on here, please remember, this is a very low budget way to get your nutrition and have what you need to live. And I thought that maybe this would be a way to help those people out so that they can see and visualize what they can get for the amount of money that I spent on this. Now, what you see on here is some Prego sauce, spaghetti sauce, some pasta, some oil. Behind the oil, you see some Raisin Bran cereal. Behind that, you see some rice, a 25-pound bag of rice. And then to the other side of the oil, you see some pancake mix. All right, so I wanted to go over these items, give you the nutritional information on these items, and give you how much I paid for each of these items. That way you can get a good idea on how cheap it is to actually prep for at least 30 days, right? For 30 days, ladies and gentlemen, what you see here will feed you for about $30, if not less, right? Believe it or not, but I'm gonna go through everything. Please stay tuned to the end of the video because I have a very special announcement. So please stay tuned till that. I'm not gonna make this a very long video. So as you can see there, that pasta sauce or the Prego, I ended up paying $7 for those 3 jars of Prego spaghetti sauce with a total calorie count of 2,100 calories, 60 grams of protein, and 45 grams of fat. Now, those 3 jars have 30 servings altogether. There's 10 servings per jar. The pasta that you see there is actually the pasta that you guys saw me prep on my last payday prep or on my last Costco haul. However, you can get pasta a lot cheaper than that. But what I figured is 20 pounds of pasta, all right, or 15 pounds of pasta, excuse me. 15 pounds of pasta you can get for as cheap as like 50 to 69 cents a pound. But I went ahead and calculated $20 for 15 pounds to 20 pounds of pasta. So that comes out to roughly 42,000 calories, 1,500 calories of protein, and 150 calories of fat. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the calories may differ from what you get by a little bit, but in general, it's gonna be around the same thing. Like, for example, pasta of any kind will have roughly 1,600 calories, 1,650 calories a pound, all right? The oil, as you can see, would only be one of those oil containers. I picked those up at Costco's for $9.49, I believe. So just for one of those, it would be $4.75. But the thing is that this oil is going to give you a total of 15,800 calories. Now, like I said, if you don't like canola oil, get vegetable oil. If you don't like vegetable oil, get the cheaper olive oil. I know a lot of people are going to say canola oil is no good for you because of this or that. However, this video is intended to provide you some information if you are one of those that is on a very tight budget. Behind the oil, you'll see some Raisin Bran. And that Raisin Bran, I paid $8.29. That box has 36 servings. So it will more than last you a month. And it brings a total of 6,840 calories, 180 calories of protein, and 36 calories of fat. Now, the rice that you see back there is a 25-pound bag of Calrose rice, all right, or sticky rice is what I like to call it. However, I know that you can get about a 15-pound bag of rice for less than $10. All right, so I went ahead and wrote down $10 for a 15-pound bag of rice. Now, a 15-pound bag of rice is going to give you roughly 22,000 calories with 225 grams of protein and 20 grams of fat. right? That's for a whole 15-pound bags of rice. And if you get the long grain rice, it's even cheaper, right? But I put $10 for a 15-pound bag of rice. To the right of that, you're going to see, or next to the oil there, you're going to see the pancake mix that you pick up at Costco for $6.99. And that pancake mix has a total of 16,000 calories. And I didn't write down the protein or the fat on that. I went ahead and combined it with the total of everything. But it does have proteins and fats in it as well. Ladies and gentlemen, for everything that you see on the table there, and then some, because I've only got 8 pounds of pasta there, right? And I calculated for anywhere between 15 to 20 pounds, depending on how much you pay for your pasta. This pasta was like $1 a pound, roughly, but I know that you can get pasta for a lot cheaper than $1 a pound. So the total for calories is 104,000 calories, or 104,930 calories, with a total of 2,273 grams of protein and a total of 351 grams of fat, not including the oil. So the oil will be very important. There's 132 servings of oil in one of those 3-quart bottles. So all you have to do is make sure that you use at least 4 servings of oil per day, which is easy to do when you make your rice and or your pasta, and that will provide you with some very much needed calories. Now, if you take those calories and you divide them by 1,700 calories a day, remember, ladies and gentlemen, this is a DIY 30-day survival food pack, all right? This is what this is. This is a survival food pack for those of you that may not have the budget to go out and prep the things that you want to prep. But these things here will keep you alive. At least, in my opinion, it will. 1,700 calories a day will keep you alive. There's people around the world that live on less than 1,700 calories a day and live on sometimes only rice or rice milk. And that's all they eat all day long, 2, sometimes 3 times a day, if they're lucky. All right? So if you divide this by 1,700 calories per day, it gives you 61 days of nutrition. The total for this was $57. I spent $57 on this, and you can live on this for 61 days if it's one person. Now, you can do the math if your family has more than one person, but I just want to show you that for less than $30, you can survive for a month and have the nutrition that you need for a month. Now, granted, you may want to pick up a bottle, a small bottle at the dollar store or something like that of multivitamins, and pick up a little bit of salt and pepper. All right, that might make up the other $3. That makes up the $60, right? So for $30 a month, you can survive, ladies and gentlemen. I read comments, and it really, it really tugs at my heartstrings, because I'm hoping that those people that have left those comments watch this video so that you can see that you can do it. You can have some peace of mind, right? I'm not saying that this is what you want to eat all the time, every day, but having something like this put away for $30 or $30 per person will give you the peace of mind that you will have nutrition in times of need. When things run out at the store, if they run out at the store, you will have nutrition in times of need. So that's what this video is about, ladies and gentlemen. Please include in the comments, if you would like, any substitutes that you would make. Like, would you substitute something else for the pancake batter, or substitute something else for the Raisin Bran that's around the same price and that have the same nutrients as far as calories, proteins, fats, etc. Right? If you have good substitutes, please leave them in the comments. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I really hope that this can help some people out. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me go ahead and have a quick talk with you guys. First of all, everyone that leaves a comment in this video will be entered to win a pack of heirloom seeds that Brent Winfield is donating to 2 winners. All right, so there will be 2 winners out of the people in the comments that will get a pack of heirloom seeds from Brent Winfield, one of our loyal community members. You have to be willing to send me your information so I can forward it to Brent so that he can mail you those seeds if you are the winner. In addition to that, you have to live within the continental United States, right? So that it won't cost him an arm and a leg to send you a few ounces of seeds, which is actually quite a lot. And of course, you have to be 18 years or older in order to enter this, because I will need your information, your name, your mailing address. In addition to that, ladies and gentlemen, I also want to tell you guys that I truly do appreciate you guys. And like I said, every time that I read a comment of someone that says, I just don't have the money to prep, it really tugs at me. So this is what I'm going to do. Those of you that are in real need, and this is going to have to be played out using the honor system, ladies and gentlemen. Those of you that are in real need, if you would like, you can send me an email. And please pay attention to the instructions. The title or the subject of your email, on the subject line, you have to write down "in need." IN space NEED, all in caps. All right, I'll leave you an example here. In that email, I need you to tell me in a short paragraph or so how it is that you are in need and why you are not able to prep for your family for an extended period of time, let's say for a month or 2 months. And you have to be willing to allow me to read your email in the video that I do. And I will pick 3 winners. I will pick 3 people that I will send $100 to. The way in which I will send you that $100 is from Walmart to Walmart. I'm not sure if you understand how this works, but if I go to Walmart and I tell them I want to send this person $100 to this Walmart where you live, then you'll be able to go to that Walmart, identify yourself, and pick up that $100 and use it to shop at Walmart. Now, why Walmart? Some people are going to say, why Walmart? Why not Costco? Because, or Sam's Club or something like that. Because Walmarts are plentiful. Walmarts are cheap. And what I'm trying to do here is maybe send a small blessing to 3 families that could use $100 to put away some preps so that they have some peace of mind, so that they know that they're going to be able to eat should they need it in the future. So that's what I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen. So remember, you need to live in the United States of America, in the continental United States of America. I apologize to all of my loyal community members that live outside of the U.S., but you need to live within the U.S., continental U.S. You need to send me an email telling me why it is that you are in need, and you have to be willing to allow me to read that email on a video. I won't say who you are on the video, but you have to allow me to read your email, your message that you sent me in the email. Okay, so I will send $100 to 3 people. There will be 3 people that get this. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please reserve this for people that are really in need. If you're really in need, please send it to me. And in addition to that, I can only choose 3 people. So please, if I get 50 emails, the other 47, if you're not chosen, please don't take it as that you're not worthy of it, but be happy for those that got that small blessing of $100 gift card, I would call it, to Walmart so that they can do some shopping for their families. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you all for supporting this channel and this community. It's because of you that I can do this. I told you all earlier this month, or late last month, that I was going to be giving a few really cool giveaways this time around. But instead, I decided that instead of giving away some stuff that you might need or you might like and it's pretty cool, that I do this instead, because I feel that the time is right, and I truly dug deep inside to really see if this was the right thing to do. And I believe that it is the right thing to do, especially at this time. So I want to thank you. I want you to know that your support allows me to do things that are very similar to this in my everyday life. I don't post it on videos and I don't really talk about it because that's not what it's about. But I want you to feel good about yourselves that just because you guys click on my videos and like my videos and watch through it, and some of you are always sending me messages, hey, I watched through all of your ads and things like that. I truly do appreciate it because it is doing good. All right. Some people may think that all I do is I only do this because I want to make money, and it's really not true. In the last 2+ years, I've put up almost 700 videos. And, when I look at how much money I've made and I divide it into the time that I put into doing this, it's really not much. So that's not what it's about. You guys allow me to do this on an everyday basis. And even though you don't see it, believe me, it's happening. I am able to bless some people every month because of you guys. So thank you. And, I just want you guys to see that I don't just talk the talk, that I do walk the walk. And that's what life's about, right? It's not about things. It's about sharing with others that are maybe a little less fortunate than you are, through no fault of their own. And even if it was through their own fault, there's still nothing wrong with sharing and looking out for one another. So having said that, ladies and gentlemen, listen, I'm going to go ahead and leave the 3 $100 giveaways open for the next week. All right, so not today, but next Friday. Next Friday, I will stop taking emails. And then it's going to take me about a week, depending on how many I get. It will take me about a week, maybe 2, to read through all of them, right? And then decide which 3 I want to choose to do the giveaway with. All right, ladies and gentlemen. And the 2 that are going to win the heirloom seeds from Brent Winfield, that giveaway, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it open through Saturday until I do my live stream on Sunday. So I'll be doing a live stream this Sunday at 12 p.m. Alaska time. So 12 noon Alaska time, I'll be doing a live stream this Sunday. Having said that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining in. I hope you got something out of this video, especially those of you that are on a limited budget. Remember to be good to each other. When good people do good things happen. Remember to reach one, teach one, and repeat. If we all did this, the world would be a better place, and you know that it will be a better place. Many blessings to all of you and your families. This is Alaska Prepper, and I'm out.